Welcome to PlanView Pro, the complete roof estimating system. This is a click-to-trace estimator with a bird's eye view. So obtain a bird's eye view from your architectural designer, or if you have an existing set of plans, just scan it in, take a picture of it with your cell phone and bring it in that way. This is the website, planviewpro.com. And if you go to log in, create account, it'll take you to this page. Now you'll have to sign up for a new user. I'm already signed in, so let's skip that part. And we'll just go to log in. And you can see I have several jobs going on here. This sample home is the roof that we have already done, and we're going to bring in the initial version of that plan. So if you refer back to our website, it's got some homes for practice, and just go on here. There's two homes. There's one that's pretty difficult and one that's pretty simple, and you've got instructions here, an instruction video how to download these items and bring them into PlanView Pro. So let's I've already brought these in, so let's go ahead and go back to the website, and we'll click on new. We'll call this sample home. Just pick a subdivision. These are categorized by subdivisions. What's going to show up on the initial drawing is sample home. This plan name is going to show up there. So if you want to call this lot 25 whatever, that's what's going to show up in the projects list. And don't worry about the square footage for now. This is here for future development of the software. So once we get that, we hit create, and we'll bring in a new drawing. We're going to bring in the bird's eye view of that home that I just did. And that is a sample 2. You'll bring it in, and the computer is going to ask you to scale the drawing. First it'll ask you to crop it or skip. I always skip unless I have a designated area that I want to get to without leaving all the other stuff on the page. So I usually just skip that. And now we hit scale, and you need to find a dimension, a known dimension on that drawing. So you can refer back to your plans, and you can find out how long this wall is, this wall, vertical walls, horizontal walls. It doesn't matter. Just find one point that you know a known dimension of. This one, we're going to work with this scale bar here. So and this you have to be real critical, or your numbers will not come out right. So click there on the edge and get your crosshairs right on the point. And that is 40 foot 3 inches. Now your bird's eye view has been brought in, and it's ready to trace and begin estimating on this project for this entire roof. And through the magic of editing video, I've brought in the elevation views and the rafters as well. We have been provided with a rafter cut list by the architectural designer, so we can, during testing phase, and we can check the actual lengths of these rafters to make sure that this software is running correctly. But I like to have at least the digital elevations here, where when I'm tracing on this, I can go back to refer to my pitches, so I don't have to have any paper out when I'm looking at them. So that's it. That's how you bring it in, and that's how you get started using this system. And with PlanView Pro, you have less time, less waste, and increased profit margins.